Saving our Earth and its environment becomes highly important as it provides us food and water to sustain life. Our well-being solely depends on this planet. It gives food and water to all living things, so it is our responsibility to take care of it. Cleanup will build environmental stewardship and teach students the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling to decrease the amount of waste we produce. Waste segregation is important not only to reduce the impact it has on the environment, but also health issues that can arise from waste and toxins that have been improperly disposed of. Waste segregation is also an economically beneficial prospect because it makes recycling much easier. Trees aid in restoring the water cycle of a landscape, preventing erosion and reducing catastrophic flooding. Additionally, trees filter and clean the air while helping in the fight against climate change by trapping carbon.